When Insta360 introduced the Ace Pro 2, it marked a turning point for the series, positioning the new model as a direct competitor to the Hero 13 Black and the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Now, with these three leading brands, GoPro, DJI, and Insta360, all offering powerful action cameras, the question arises, which one truly stands out as the best? Let's find out in today's comparison video. Insta360 sets itself apart with the Ace Pro 2 unique flip-up rear touchscreen design, making it the only camera in this comparison with such a feature. At 2.5 inches, it boasts the largest display, while also including a small front LCD dedicated to menus rather than providing a preview for selfies. In contrast, both GoPro and DJI utilize a dual-screen setup with displays on both the front and rear. DJI takes the lead here with its Osmo Action 5 Pro, featuring advanced dual OLED touchscreens, whereas GoPro Hero 13 Black sticks with more basic dual LCDs, and only the rear screen is touch-sensitive. The rear screen on DJI's model is also slightly larger at 2.5 inches compared to GoPro's 2.27 inches. Both GoPro and DJI offer similar brightness levels across their screens, but overall, DJI has the edge in display quality. So how does Insta360 compare? The Ace Pro 2 flip-up screen offers clear advantages. It's the largest selfie display, making it easier to see, and it can be adjusted to any angle within a 180-degree range. This flexibility is especially useful for low-angle shots. Simply tilt the screen up 90 degrees for better visibility. For example, if the camera is mounted on a bike, you can easily check the screen while riding. However, this design isn't without its trade-offs. For selfies, you'll need to manually flip the screen up, whereas the Osmo Action 5 Pro's fixed front display is always ready to use, though it's smaller. There's also the question of durability. Action cameras are prone to bumps and drops, and the Ace Pro 2's flip-up mechanism introduces a potential vulnerability that GoPro and DJI models avoid with their simpler designs. The Ace Pro 2 is also slightly bulkier than its competitors, likely due to its screen design. So, which display is the best? It ultimately depends on your needs, but the Ace Pro 2's is the most versatile of the bunch. In terms of sensor specifications, Insta360 and DJI are neck and neck. Both feature 1x1.3-inch sensors, which are larger than GoPro's, and offer 50-megapixel and 40-megapixel still photos, respectively. We've tested the two cameras side by side in low-light conditions, and as seen in the footage above, the results are quite similar, with both outperforming GoPro significantly. Both Insta360 and DJI claim up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, likely in their optimized video modes. The Ace Pro 2 stands out with dedicated HDR and pure video modes, both capable of shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second. Notably, the Ace Pro 2 is the only camera in this comparison that offers 8K video. However, there are limitations. The field of view is narrower, the camera's best image stabilization isn't available in 8K, and you can't use the new iLog color profile. While Insta360 deserves credit for including 8K recording, something its competitors lack, it's not the feature to pin your hopes on due to these constraints. GoPro Hero 13 Black, on the other hand, is the only model to offer 5.3K video, with HDR and HLG modes to prevent overexposure in bright scenes. Its 1x1.9-inch 8:7 aspect ratio sensor is versatile, allowing for horizontal, square, and vertical shooting, and it captures 27-megapixel stills, which are solid. In bright lighting conditions, all three cameras perform similarly, with personal preference likely determining the best. The Hero 13 Black might have a slight advantage in these scenarios. However, when it comes to low-light performance, the Ace Pro 2 and Osmo Action 5 Pro outshines the GoPro, and they're evenly matched with each other. GoPro action cameras have been on the market the longest, giving them the advantage of a vast range of accessories, which are often essential for securely mounting your camera during action shots. With the Hero 13 Black, GoPro introduced the new HB series of lenses and ND filters, pushing its capabilities even further. At the launch of the Hero 13 Black, GoPro also revealed some exciting new accessories: a macro lens with a focus ring, an ultra-wide lens, similar to the previous Max mod for the Hero 12 Black, and an anamorphic lens set to release in 2025. One standout feature is the Hero 13 Black's ability to automatically detect these lens mods and filters, adjusting the camera settings for optimal performance, making it incredibly user-friendly. The macro lens mod, in particular, is a great tool for vloggers, allowing a 4 times shorter close focus distance. This addresses the challenge posed by the standard close focus distance of approximately 40 centimeters, which can make vlogging tricky on all of these cameras, including the Hero 13 Black. All 3 cameras feature removable lens protectors, magnetic and screw-on mounting options, and rugged build quality. The Osmo Action 5 Pro excels in waterproofing, offering the best protection out of the 3 and even including a built-in depth gauge. For serious diverse, underwater cases are available. Each camera also supports Bluetooth connectivity for accessories like wireless microphones. However, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has a smoother, more integrated experience when paired with DJI's own wireless mics, like the Mic 2, compared to using third-party mics, which is the case with GoPro and Insta360. A unique advantage of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is its internal storage, offering 47 gigabytes, whereas the other cameras rely solely on microSD cards, which the Osmo Action 5 Pro also supports. Improved battery performance was a key focus for all 3 brands, with each of their latest flagship action cameras offering significantly better battery life compared to previous models. According to the official specs, the GoPro Hero 13 Black can capture 1080p video for up to 2.5 hours and 5.3K video for up to 1.5 hours, which puts it behind its competitors. However, our experience suggests the Ace Pro 2 quoted battery life is somewhat optimistic. It managed around 2.25 hours of 4K 30 frames per second recording, or roughly 70 minutes at 4K 60 frames per second, similar to GoPro's performance, despite the Hero 13 Black featuring a higher capacity battery. Insta360 seems to have focused on making the Ace Pro 2 more power efficient to achieve these results. DJI outshines both GoPro and Insta360 with the Osmo Action 5 slightly larger 1950 mAh battery and significantly longer runtime. It can reportedly last up to 4 hours when shooting 1080p video. The Osmo Action 5 also recharges faster than the others, though only marginally faster than the Ace Pro 2. Of course, actual battery life can vary depending on usage and camera settings. Factors like Wi-Fi, GPS, and keeping the screen on will reduce battery life, so disabling these features can help extend it beyond the quoted figures. All 3 cameras are newly released. The GoPro Hero 13 Black was the first to launch on September 4th, hitting stores later that month with a price of $399.99 for the standard bundle. 2 weeks later, DJI released the Osmo Action 5 Pro on September 19th, undercutting GoPro with a lower price of $349 for its standard bundle. Lastly, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 was introduced on October 22nd, priced similarly to the Hero 13 Black at $400. When it comes to price, DJI takes the lead with the most affordable option. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.